Draw and learn. Oh, look at this big truck. Where it is going. Do you like to color it? Hello, kids. Today we want to color in this big truck with each other. I'm using blue color for the windows. I'm sure you can color it very well. You're so great, kids. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. Purple color. I'm using purple color. Awesome! Keep going, kids! I love to coloring the truck so colorful. What about you, kids? Let's color the wheels now. Oh, we finished that with each other. Thank you, kids. You're so brave. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, look at this fire truck. Where is it going? Hello, kids. We want to color in this fire truck with each other. At first, I'm using yellow color for the light. Yellow color. Now I'm using blue color for the windows. Repeat after me. Blue color. Let's color it with me. Paint carefully. So great. I'm sure you can do it. Firefighter is using fire truck to help people. Oh, kids, do you know how they are helping people? You're so clever, that's right. They are putting out the fire. Oh, firefighters are so brave. Do you like to be a firefighter? So awesome. I'm sure you're so brave too. Do you know the name of this color? That's right. It's dark blue color. Repeat after me. Dark blue color. Keep going. Okay. Now I'm using orange color for strobe light. Oh, look at here. It's so shiny. I'm using orange color for these boxes. These boxes are full of firefighting tools. They are using these tools to help people. Coloring with me, kids. You're so great. Now I want to color in the ladder. Do you know which color is it? That's right. It's gray. Repeat after me. Gray color. Let's do it with me. Firefighters are using this ladder to help people. Keep going. Okay, which color we have to use for the fire truck? That's right, red color. Let's color it with each other. Repeat after me. Red color. Awesome! You're so great! Now I want to use purple color for the bumper. Let's color it carefully. Now I'm using gray color for the wheels. Oh, which color is it? That's right, it's dark green color. Repeat after me. Dark green color. Finished! You're so awesome! Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.